How to fade songs on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You'll be taken to the Explore page over here. On this page, go over to the top left corner and tap on Your Profile. Now, go over to Settings and Privacy under your profile. In the Settings page, you need to look for and tap on the Playback option. Here, go over to the crossfade section and change the timing according to your preference. You can use the slider bar in order to adjust the crossfade timing. The crossfade option creates a smooth transition between two songs by simultaneously fading out the end of one song while fading in the beginning of the next. You can now go back and check the new settings by playing songs on Spotify and checking the transitions. Following these steps, you can easily fade songs on Spotify.